ऐसी एग्जाम्पल हमें सेट करनी चाहिए ताकि इनको कल मौका दिया गया और भरपूर मौका दिया गया। उस मौके में इन्होंने ये कहा कि मैं आर्मी के खिलाफ तो बात की साथ साहबान के खिलाफ भी बात की। In exercise of power conferred upon me under sub-rule 2, rule 227 of the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Procedure and Conduct of Business, rule 1988, I do hereby order to withdraw Mr. Isamuddin MPA forthwith to the House on account of the misconduct threatened the MPA's this August House and President of the Assembly. The words he uttered on point of order were disgusting, threatening, and breach of privilege of all the members of the Assembly, this August House, and so forth, the people of the province. The sitting is adjourned for 15 minutes और सामुद्दीन साहब को ऐवान से बाहर भेज दिया जाए for today's session.